61% of US adults have very little confidence in newspapers. You randomly select 10 US adults. So they either have very little confidence in newspapers or they don't. And they gave you that 61% is the percentage, or in this case, the success rate for our case. You randomly select 10 US adults, that's your N. We're looking at a binomial situation. Find the probability that the number of US adults who have very little confidence in newspaper is A, exactly 5. So let's do that first, okay? Hold on, let me see if I can click on get more help, and I'll click on StatCrunch because I'm going to use their calculator, okay? Come on, StatCrunch. What's going on? All right, I'll just open up in another browser. Log in. So how do we do this on StatCrunch calculator? I think that's what the question was. Once you identify that this is a binomial case, you will open up. Hold on, I have too many tabs open. I want to look at both screens at the same time. Okay, you will open up Stat, Calculator, and Binomial. Okay, you go to Stat, Calculator, Binomial. Tell them that N is 10 because we randomly selected 10 US adults. Then P is 0.61 because 61% of US adults have very little confidence in newspapers. So the probability of success is 0.61. The first question is asking for exactly 5. So change that symbol to equal sign. Type in 5. Here's your answer. They want 3 decimal places, so I'm just really going to copy that. Next. The next one will be an inequality, at least 6. Oh, well, they help us out over here. They gave us that at least is greater than or equal to, so I just changed that to greater than or equal to 6, and here it is. I will have to round that up to 0.658. And lastly, less than 4. Change that to less than 4, and we just have to round that up to 0.048. And that's the easiest way to do these problems using StatCrunch binomial calculator. So if I show you how to get there one more time, you go to Stat, Calculators, and Binomial. So that way we don't have to use that binomial probability formula, which involves all the combinations and factorials. All right, I hope this was helpful.